From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of using old and worn-out bedspreads that just don't cut it anymore? I recently got my hands on the bed's single-piece thickened woolen all-autumn from Generic, and I have to say, it's been a game-changer. This bedspread is lightning fast to set up, easy to use, and top-rated among its competitors. One of the things that caught my attention was its color fastness, which can withstand time, wear, and washing without fading easily. I've washed it multiple times, and the colors still look vibrant and new. Plus, it can be machine washed without deforming or shrinking, which is a huge plus. The fabric is soft, delicate, and absorbent, making it perfect to sleep on directly without any discomfort. I've found that it's gentle on my skin, and the softness is just amazing to the touch. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. In real-life use, I've found that this bedspread is better than others because it's easy to care for, and the material is durable. For example, I've used it during the autumn season, and it's kept me warm and cozy throughout the night. The best part is that it doesn't wrap the mattress too tightly, allowing for a comfortable and relaxed sleeping experience. Overall, I'm really impressed with the bed's single-piece thickened woolen all-autumn, and I think you will be too. It's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new bedspread that's easy to use, comfortable, and long-lasting. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.